My choice of highway 844 and 224 was good. Yes, there is a lot of construction work going on, and you have diversions and also some horrible patches. Lots and lots of speed breakers on the way. Well, yes, this seems to be the better road. The best probably would be take 44, go to Dharmapuri, and from there you take the road to Hogenakkal. That would be longer, but better for your health and your vehicle's health. But this highway 844 would eventually become very good once all the constructions are done. Well, at the rate at which we build highways, I think in a year's time this should be good. Till then, all the best. Hogenakkal is another 21 kilometers. இதா டோலா அது ஒழுங்கா போர்டு போட்டிருந்தா சும்மா கையை காமிச்சா எப்படி நீங்க நீங்க யாரோ சும்மா நடுவில் கை காமிக்கிறாங்களான்னு நினைச்சேன். என்னமோ டோலாமே டோலா இருக்கு. ஆ ஆ Hello, see for yourself the conditions and the conveniences provided for a tourist. You have a few people coming and offering to cook fish for you. Yes, you can buy fish and give it to them to be cooked. As far as I am concerned, this may be very attractive, but for a general tourist, this place is so disorganized. There is no specific allotted place for parking. They do charge for cars and other four-wheelers some money, but the place parking lot is so disorganized. Of course, general hygiene is not there, and also mostly I find tourists coming here from just a few hundred kilometers away. Yes, you do find lots of languages being spoken, but they must all be residents within a few hundred kilometers. I don't find any long distance tourists. மோட்டர் இங்கே தான் எங்கேயோ பார்க் பண்ணேன். பார்க்கலாம் எங்கே இருக்கு. Let me look for where my motorcycle is. I think I parked it somewhere nearby. Oh, there is somebody saying hi for YouTube. கண்டுபிடிச்சிட்டேன். Yes, there is my trusted Harley Davidson X440. With the panniers, it needs the width of a small car to move around. Left Hogenakkal at 2:10 p.m. Destination Villa number 6, Campan Valley. Estimated time is 3 hours. This is a different route compared to the one which took while to reach Hogenakkal. I think on this the Kaveri is flowing on the left. The route suggested by Google Maps is Highway 588, that is 17A. See for yourself the road conditions on Highway 588, that is 17A. I would rate it as one of the most horrible roads, like those that I faced in Chhattisgarh and Odisha. Oh, seems to be some problem ahead. Oh, even German technology failed here. Road avudhu, technology avudhu, mannangadi avudhu. Well, enjoy a few more shots of Hogenakkal. But please, 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 don't take the highway 588, that is 17A, on your way back from Hogenakkal to Bengaluru. It is horrible, horrible, horrible. Well, on the way back, it started raining heavily at a particular point. I had to stop, remove all my cameras, etc., and keep them safely. Took my rainwear and moved ahead. So no more videos here.